Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the incredibly rich world of desire in Mandarin. So if you're kind of tired of just saying, I want, you have come to the right place. We're going to unpack all the words that'll help you express yourself with way more precision and, honestly, just sound more authentic. Let's dive right in.
So let me just start with this question. How many ways can you really say, I want? Most of us start out learning just one or two words, but native speakers, they have this whole toolbox to express everything from a fleeting thought to a lifelong dream. And trust me, using the right word in the right situation is a total game changer.
So here's our game plan for today. We're going to climb what I call the desire spectrum. Think of it like an intensity ladder. We'll start with those super casual wants and go all the way up to the ultimate cravings. By the end of this, you're going to have a really clear map to navigate the whole landscape of desire in Mandarin.
First up, let's talk about this spectrum. The key to sounding more natural, really, is understanding that Mandarin has different words for different intensities of desire. It's not just about what you want, it's about how much you want it.
Okay, so this is probably the biggest mix-up for learners, right? The difference between Xiang and YAO. Think of it this way. Xiang is like a feeling or a whim. It's soft, like, I could go for some tea. It's just a thought. But YAO? That's a decision, a definite plan. It's more like, I want water, now. It implies you're going to take action. So just remember, Xiang is the thought, and YAO is the intent to act.
And to really help us picture this whole thing, we're going to use this intensity ladder. We're starting right down at the bottom, level 1, with the most common everyday wants. And we are going to work our way all the way up to the absolute peak of human desire.
All right, let's begin our climb. Kicking things off with level 1, casual wants. These are the words you are literally going to use every single day for basic needs and simple requests.
So this first rung of the ladder, this is our foundation. Mastering these words is absolutely crucial before we start climbing any higher to those more intense feelings.
So here are our level 1 players. You've got Xiang, kind of like dreaming of travel, that gentle would like to. Then there's YAO for a definite need, like I want water. Now, combine them and you get xiang yao, which is a slightly stronger, more specific want, like I really want a cat. And finally, for more formal situations, there's yao qiu, which is like requesting a refund from a cashier.
Okay, time to step things up a notch. We're moving on to level 2. Here, we're building from those everyday wants to more formal, more emotionally significant requests. These words definitely carry a bit more weight.
And as you can see, we're on that second rung of our ladder now. The intensity is kicking up a notch. These aren't just simple wants anymore. There's a deeper sense of longing or need that's starting to creep in.
First up here is 请求. Now, this is a very formal request, almost like a plea. You'd use this when asking for something from someone in a higher position, like your boss or an official. It has this built-in politeness and respect for the other person's status.
Okay, now this is where Mandarin just gets so cool. Let's break down the word 向往. 向往. You've got two characters, 向 and 往, and they both mean towards. So you put them together and you get this powerful image of being constantly directed and moving towards something. It's not a simple want. It's a deep, deep yearning for a totally different place or lifestyle.
And here is a perfect example of that. He yearns for a peaceful countryside lifestyle. See? He's not just thinking it would be nice. His heart and mind are literally oriented towards that life. It's so much more descriptive than just saying he wants it, right?
All right, we're halfway up the ladder. Welcome to level 3. This is where we move into the realm of our deeper aspirations. This is how we talk about our hopes, our expectations, and our big dreams for the future.
We're right in the middle of our ladder now, where desires become way more personal and way more significant. We're talking about the things that truly matter to us.
Okay, check this out. It's amazing how swapping just one little character can change everything. You have Shi Wang, which is a general hope, but replace that first character with Qi, which is all about time, and you get Qi Wang, an expectation, basically a hope with a deadline. Then you've got Meng Sheng, which literally smashes dream and want together for a major life goal. The differences are subtle, but they are so important.
All right, brace yourselves. We are heading for the final ascent, the absolute peak of the ladder, levels 4 and 5. These are the words for those all-consuming desires, for the ultimate cravings of the human heart. This is it, the very top. And let me tell you, these words are powerful. They're poetic,
They're used for desires that feel almost like a physical need. This is where the language gets truly beautiful.
I absolutely love this one. Let's deconstruct kewang. The first character, ke, means thirsty. The second, wang, means to gaze. So you put them together and you get this incredibly vivid image of craving something with the same urgency as a thirsty person gazing at water. It's a deep, almost primal need.
And then you've got this word, shewang. The character shi actually means luxurious, so think of this as a luxury hope. It's a beautiful but probably unrealistic desire. It's that extravagant, maybe unattainable wish that you still hold on to.
And finally, for the grand finale, at the very, very top, we have these absolutely stunning idioms. Meng mei yi qiu literally means to seek something even in your dreams while you sleep. It's that thing you long for day and night. And my personal favorite, xin zi suo xiang, which poetically means where the heart goes. It's the path your heart is pulling you towards, your true calling.
Wow. Okay, so we made it all the way to the top of the ladder. Now let's bring all of this together into a practical guide that you can actually use to really start speaking your heart.
And here it is, the entire journey, all on one slide. This is your cheat sheet, your complete desire intensity ladder. We went from a simple level 1 want to a level 2 yearning, a level 3 dream, a level 4 craving, all the way to level 5. You'll see xinyan there, which means a heartfelt wish. It's really the core desire at the center of those beautiful idioms we just discussed. Use this map to pick the perfect word for exactly what you're feeling every single time.
You know, at the end of the day, language gives us the tools to articulate the deepest parts of ourselves. And with this ladder, you no longer have to just say you want something. You can hope, you can expect, you can yearn, you can crave. So I'm going to leave you with this question. Now, how will you express what your heart truly desires?